and cinnamon. These rainforests can have over 12 meters of rain every year. This rain is later evaporated and comes back down as rain in other areas of the world, providing water to us all. Now it looks like the clouds are clearing and the sun is coming back out. Enjoy the rest of your journey here at Dubai's only rainforest.
Give you with the fangs, you have effect on you. But this one doesn't have any fangs.
This is snake or python or what?
It's a corn snake.
Corn.
Yeah.
Just touch it.
Yeah, try it. This one, even if you get bitten, it's like your cats in the house give you a hug.
How long is it?
You can go up to 1.8 meters.
How much?
1.8
Meters? Oh.
like your height.
Can you rotate your hand?
I wish, yeah.
I just have 10 minutes.